Hi guys, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. And in today's video, I am going to tell about is null and is not null operations in SQL. Firstly, I will tell what is this is null and is not null operations, and also I will explain some of the examples in this topic. So, while coming to this topic, a field in SQL tables can have null or no value if they are defined as optional. So while we are creating a table or some database, we are going to give we are going to insert some values in the table, right, to that particular field. So while creating the table, if we mention a field as optional, we can give that we can give a value like null or no value to that field. Okay, if it does not mention as that as optional, it will give as an error. Okay, it does not execute. It will give an error. Next, if the field is defined as optional, then while inserting or updating a new record, it is possible to add data without any value to this field as it's defined as optional. So when we create a field with optional what we call optional data. So if we create that field as optional data, we can insert no value or null value. It is not compulsory to insert some value. If it does not insert any value also, it doesn't get an error. For example, if we take some application like a form which we fill for job applications or other applications, we are getting like first name, middle name, and last name, right? Uh, they are getting like first name is mandatory and last name is also mandatory. But for middle name, they are giving some optional. If we doesn't give any value to that middle name also, we are not getting any error, right? In the same way, it will work in this SQL also. If we give the field as optional, we we are not compulsorily supposed to give any value. If we doesn't give any value also, it will not throw an error. Okay. I will give some example to this one. See here, I have taken one table. In this table, I have given some values like customer ID, name, and phone number. For this, I have taken customer IDs. For names, I have given one null value. See, for third person, I didn't give any name to that particular column, to that particular cell. And also for phone numbers, I haven't given for fifth person, I haven't given any phone number. So I will take this table and I will explain some examples. See here, I have created that table here. So let's start from customer. I'm getting all the columns which were present in this customer table. See here, I have taken all the rows from customer table. Here we have taken null values for the third person in name column and also null value for the fifth person in phone number column. Now I want to take the column which we have null value for a name. To take that one, we are going to write a query like this: start from customer, where what's the column name? Name is null. See. Here, what's the which person we have null value for this name column? third person. So we want to get that person details. See, we got that one. Okay. We can find not null also here. Now I have taken this one. Here, when we take this table, we have four persons which we have name details, right? We want to get that details in this query because we are taking not null values in the name column. Here in the name column we have four values which we doesn't have null values. So we are getting that four persons details here. See, right? And also we can write this null and not null combinedly by using AND operation. Okay. Here I have taken not null value. Not null value means I'm getting these four values, but I want to get the person which we have null value for phone number. So for that, and phone number is null value. So it's going to check the person where we are having not null value for a name. Here we have four persons, but we want to have null value for this phone number column. So we have only one person which we are having not null value for name column and null value for this phone number column. So we are getting the person details, Praveen, that person details here. So in this way we are going to use this null, is null and is not null operations in SQL. Thank you.